Hey guys, it's me, Christina, and I'm here today to do another review with you. This review I really wanted to do because I searched for several weeks to find this product for myself. And every time I looked at reviews, there were good reviews and bad reviews. So I kind of just went ahead and bought this item, not knowing whether it was going to be good or not. So I want to do the review on it. This is a coffee and candle warmer. This one's made by Lexi Home. And this actually came when I purchased it as a 2-pack. So I got 2 of these, this one and this one, for a little bit over $26. So I can have one and give one to a friend, or I can have one in my kitchen and one in my office or somewhere else. But I thought it was a really good buy for that. So I'm happy with it. But the reason I wanted to do this review is because a lot of people got on the reviews and talked about how it didn't keep the coffee warm, it didn't work, and so forth. But I think it's because they misunderstand what they're purchasing. This is a coffee warmer. It keeps your coffee warm. I think it keeps it a little bit more than warm, which is good. If you're like me and you get your cup of coffee and you might sit for the first hour just sipping on it, doing work, and getting things done through the day, and you have to go to the microwave 3 or 4 times to heat it up every 15-20 minutes, it's really a pain. So that's why I purchased this, and it works. This does work as a coffee warmer. It keeps your coffee warm. If you put your coffee on here cold, it's going to warm up a little bit. It's going to take it a minute, but it is going to warm up. It's not going to be piping hot. It's a warmer. It doesn't boil your coffee. It's a nice warm temperature. It sure beats going to the microwave and reheating and reheating and reheating. I hate that. It's a waste of time. Now I'm going to show you the product itself, but stay with me because I'm going to show you what else it's good for after I show you the product. As you can see, it's basically a hot plate. This is about 5.5 inches all the way across, the complete size, but the surface size that you can put your coffee cup in is about 3.25 inches. So my coffee cup, I think, is a pretty good size coffee cup. And then I have another one that's even bigger than this, and it fits on here really well. There's some that I looked up, and they are about 2.75 inches. So you really have to check that if you're getting a coffee warmer to make sure your coffee cups will fit it. This has an on and off switch on the cord. All you do is roll it, turns it off, and turns it on. And here's your indicator light to let you know. That way you don't forget if it's on or off. It's a pretty long cord too, in my opinion. Now the downfall to this cord being long is sometimes it gets in my way. It does. So if you have a bread tie or something, just fold that over, put your bread tie around it, and it'll take up some of that cord space. So I hope that's a tip that's helped you out. This is the back of the warmer. And here's the little feet that'll separate your stand from your surface. I think it's pretty nice. Now the other thing this warmer does is heat up candles and candle bowls. So you just put it on the surface like that, or if you have a candle, put your candle down there and let it heat up. Okay, so as you can see here, I put my candle bowl on top of the warmer. I have it turned up. We're going to see if it melts. This is a coffee and candle warmer, so this can also be used for a candle or your coffee cup. So we're going to see how well this works. Okay, this is about 12 minutes after it's been heating, and you can see it is starting to melt. So this does work really good as a candle warmer. So if you're looking for a candle warmer that is small and compact, if you travel a lot, you want to take it with you to like hotel rooms and different places, I think this is probably perfect for that. Now the other thing I wanted to tell you about this is this works best if your coffee cup has a flat bottom. My coffee cup doesn't. And I know you probably are not going to be able to see that, and I don't want to spill my coffee on me, even though you guys would probably get a good laugh out of that. The bottom of my coffee cup is kind of curved in. And I actually looked at most of my coffee cups, and most of them are. So I'm going to have to go find me some new coffee cups to go with my coffee warmer. Because I'm thinking if I had the flat surface on the bottom, it's going to stay even hotter. So that's kind of cool. Well, that's about it. That's all I have to say about this review. If you drink coffee and it's constantly getting cold, go ahead and get you one of these. Despite all the bad reviews online, I think it's because people misunderstand the product that they're buying. This isn't meant to make your coffee hot or keep it boiling hot. It's to keep your coffee warm. So you know what makes me happy? Not having to keep warming up my coffee every 20 minutes. That's nice. If you enjoyed this review and you got anything out of it, please leave me a comment below. Like my video and subscribe if you've not already subscribed to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.